Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this simple egg fried rice. If you love what you're seeing, please give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to share this video with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel.
Every single thought leaves your name on my lips.
So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for today's recipe. We'll be needing our carrots, we need our peas, we also need our green bell peppers. Of course, there will be no fried rice without our chicken. You can use any meat of your choice, and also our liver. Of course, we'll be needing our seasonings, which is seasoning cubes, ginger, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, nutmeg, thyme, and Italian seasoning. We have our spring onions here. You can use green beans or whichever one you prefer. We have our egg here. In here I have the onions and garlic. Then here I have soy sauce and oyster sauce here, and our rice here. Start by cutting your chicken into tiny pieces, just like how I'm doing it on this video here. Have you liked this video? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. So in here I'll be marinating our chicken with thyme, paprika, Italian seasoning, ginger, curry, seasoning cubes, and all-purpose seasoning. You can use any spices of your choice.
Wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city wasting.
Add your oyster sauce and your soy sauce.
Found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me.
Start turning it until all the ingredients is well incorporated into the meat.
Every single waking up from a fever dream.
Then cover it with a plastic bag and marinate for about 5 to 6 hours.
Waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules,
6 hours later, we're here to cook the meat.
I'm not supposed to think about you like this. The universe is a bitch.
We're going to cook it together with the liver.
On my lips. Universe is a bitch. Universe is a.
So here I'm going to add my onions and garlic.
But I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city.
Then you just have to stir everything together.
Universe is a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips.
Then add your pepper.
Universe is a bitch. Wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city. What you like?
Then cover to cook for about 3 minutes.
Found out that you have someone else.
Here our meat is ready and we're going to fry it now.
Such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me.
Here I'm just adding in my meat into hot oil to fry.
Is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. Wish I could cut myself loose, but
So in here I have the chicken meat broth. Add in your seasoning cubes and your fried rice seasoning. Then stir everything together.
me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be.
In here I'm just adding my washed rice.
Think about you like this. The universe is a bitch.
Then cover to cook. Next step is to add in vegetable oil inside your pan. Fry your egg and set it aside.
What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city. It's just like, would you like this? The universe a bitch.
So in the same pan, add in your vegetable oil and fry your vegetables. Here I have my onions. You just have to stir it. Then add in your carrots. Stir it for about 1 minute.
But I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city. Would you like this? The universe a bitch.
Add your spring onions, your green bell pepper, your peas, and then stir everything together. Keep stirring for about 1 minute. Then next is to add your egg and your chicken. Then stir everything together. Final step is to add your already cooked rice, and our food is ready. Our food is ready. Please remember to like and share this video with your family and friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes.
Every single waking up from a fever dream.